JavaScript developers meet Bun, the new runtime that could change the way we write, run, and test code. Built with the Zig programming language, Bun is designed to be fast, modern, and all-in-one. What is Bun? Bun is a JavaScript runtime like Node.js, but it's different. While Node.js is built on C++ and libuv, Bun is written in Zig and uses JavaScript core, the engine powering Safari. That means it's often much faster and more lightweight. Why Bun over Node.js? Node.js has been around for over a decade, and it's amazing, but it has baggage. Slow startup times, heavy Node modules folder. TypeScript needs extra setup. No built-in testing. Bun solves this with performance, often 3 to 4x faster, integrated tools, package manager, test runner, bundler, TypeScript out of the box, smaller installs. Installing Bun. Installing Bun is simple and works across all platforms. Let's see how to set it up on macOS, Linux, and Windows. And that's it. Bun installs in seconds. Whether you're on macOS, Linux, or Windows, you'll be ready to run JavaScript and TypeScript faster than ever. Running JavaScript with Bun. Just like Node, you can run JavaScript files directly. Let's try it. Bun Package Manager versus NPM. Bun comes with its own package manager that replaces NPM and Yarn. Let's see how it works. Done! That was lightning fast. Unlike NPM, Bun uses a global cache instead of a giant Node modules folder. Bun's built-in test runner. Testing is built into Bun. No need for Jest or Mocha. Let's create a quick test. TypeScript with Bun. One of the best features of Bun is native TypeScript support. You don't need TS Node or a build step. Should you switch? Bun isn't just a Node.js clone. It's a modern, fast, all-in-one runtime. Pros: speed, built-in tooling, native TypeScript. Cons: smaller ecosystem, less mature than Node.js. For new projects, Bun is worth exploring. For existing Node.js apps, migration is possible but requires checking dependencies. Thanks for watching.